Hello everyone, I'm Latviuinaswa. In this video, I will make unboxing Asus TUF gaming laptop FX505GT, and let's go watching this video. Now in front of me there in an Asus TUF gaming box, and we will see type. Let's open it. Now we got smallest box and we got laptop bag, and we will focus to smallest box, and let's go. In this box we got laptop, QD books and adapter. I will turn on this laptop. This is the screen display when power on. We can see full specification in around the XDF. This laptop uses processor Core i5 9th generation and use 16GB memory. Video graphic array uses NVIDIA GTX 1650 with VRAM 4GB. On the left side of the laptop, there is an adapter port, Internet port, HDMI for USB fast charging, 2 USB general, and headphone jack. In the right side, just a Kensington lock. The price of this laptop in Indonesian is 12,300,000. That's the unboxing review of the Asus TUF Gaming FX505GT laptop. And thanks for watching this video.